Okay guys, on today's video I'm going to unbox the CSF radiator, a full-size radiator for my K-swapped Integra. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing this radiator. It's a CSF radiator. It's for the 92 to 2000 Civics with the K-swap, and for, I believe it's 94 to 2000 Integras with a K-swap as well. Keep in mind, it is a full-size radiator. As well, if you've seen the previous videos, you see that I'm having overheating issues. I just popped the hood and noticed there's a little bit of, looks like dry coolant, so I might pressure test it after this. But yeah, let's go ahead and start unboxing this. I know CSF does do everything in-house, so they do everything from the intakes to welding everything up. They don't just stamp their name on the cores. So I respect that, and I think I'm going to start buying these radiators. This is a 2-core. And I believe they call it the V3. Make sure you guys can see it. It's quite packaged well. And also, before I keep going, huge shout out to Revline Motorsports right here. Got a hat from them. That's who I ended up ordering this through. Great guy. I plan on continuing to order my parts through him. I plan on putting the link in the description box from his website down below, and link to his Facebook page. He does a lot of K-Series stuff, does a lot of Honda stuff. So his Facebook page will be down there, and the general link to his website will also be in the description box. So huge shout out to Jeff. I appreciate you helping me, and I obviously plan on continuing to order parts through him. Alright. Pretty wrapped up. It's a very well packaged. And just so you guys know, I would be installing this today, but I'm waiting on Mishimoto mounts, or brackets I should say, for the radiator, because I don't have any. I have never had them on this car. I think they're on back order, so I may end up going with the K-Tune radiator brackets. Well, there it is. Handy stickers. You guys can see that. Check that out. Pretty nice quality on these for sure. Let's go ahead and see what else is in this box. But there goes the radiator. I bought the full kit with the fan shroud, the Spall 12-inch with fan shroud. So I also will be opening up that here shortly. they have, I forgot what AN fittings these ones are. I don't know, it's a 14 and 16 AN fitting that they come with, but they come with those. And this is if you have no slip-on hoses. If you need the thread-on ones. I'm going to just stick to the slip-on hoses. And not only that, they do come with the little gasket. Just go ahead and keep looking around at this. This is awesome. So that's the radiator. Here goes some more fittings. This looks like there might be a port possibly for like a sensor somewhere on here. I will have to look for that. But that's that. There it is. Very nice. Very nice. CSF radiator. Great quality. I think, knowing that they make everything in-house, I think I'm just going to stick to that company. Again, thanks to Jeff for helping me out on picking out a full-size radiator since I'm having overheating issues with this car. I've noticed, if you've seen the previous video, you know I mentioned it's overheating and it's turning off the AC. So, let's check out the fan. This comes with the fan shroud. There it is right there. Ooh, super hot in here. Here is the fan. It's a 12-inch fan. I always use OEM fans, so this is the first time I'm using an aftermarket fan. There it is. There goes the fan. Ball fan, 12-inch. Okay guys, there it is. CSF radiator. Everything they make is in-house. As I've mentioned before, I am a huge fan of a company that does everything in-house and does not relabel their stuff. Again, Revline Motorsports, thank you for helping me out getting this. I highly suggest you guys going down to his Facebook page, liking it, see what that guy's doing. Jeff is a good guy. And I'm excited to get all this stuff on. I'm just waiting on those radiator brackets. But fan shroud and the radiator. There it is. Also guys, another YouTube channel that I have been watching lately is called Speed Academy. I highly suggest you guys to go over there, subscribe, follow that page. They have ridiculous amounts of builds going on. I just recently started watching that YouTube channel this past month, and I'm going through every playlist that they have, starting from their oldest playlist. It's amazing that they only have 180,000 subscribers. They take their cars out to the track, get a baseline, they bring it back, they mod it, they take it back, see if they can improve their time. I highly suggest you guys going over there. They do a lot of how-tos, a lot of modding, dynos. Like, it's very informative, and they also go to other shops and meet up with other YouTubers and do builds with them. But definitely go subscribe to their YouTube channel. That's a great YouTube page, Speed Academy. I'm a fan of watching their builds. If you look at their playlist, everything under the Mustang mullet I've seen. So currently I'm watching their Mustang playlist. But like I said, watch from the bottom and make your way up through their playlist. And keep an eye out in the background. You'll see their cars in the background from that they're doing other videos on, and you'll see the progress of the cars in the background without actually watching that specific build. You'll see what I mean when you see it. You'll see all their other builds in the background of their videos. And great YouTube channel. Like I said, they go to the track, they get a baseline, they bring it back, they modify it, they take it back to improve the time, and it's a great channel. Good channel, very informative. But that's it, guys. CSF radiator, spall fan with the fan shroud for the good old Integra, waiting on the radiator mounts. And we're gonna get this car back out there. Hopefully more videos will come of this car as well. And of course the Galant and the Integra I have, and hopefully adding more to the collection very soon here. So thanks, guys. Like the video, subscribe. Don't forget, link in the description box is link to my store where you can buy grounding kits for your car. I haven't made the grounding kit video on this car, which I already have the grounding kit on there. I just haven't put it on YouTube yet or made the how to install it yet. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, subscribe. Like the video, guys. Go check out Speed Academy. Go to Revline Motorsports on Facebook. Subscribe to their Facebook page. And check out his store. He's got good pricing, good deals. Message him, email him if you got any comments. Alright, thanks, guys.